Thinking about buying property in Miami-Dade County or bidding at a foreclosure auction? Before you do anything, you need to check the title. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do a title search step by step using public records, so you can avoid surprise liens, lawsuits, or other nasty title issues. Let's dive in. Start by heading to the Miami-Dade Property Appraiser's site and searching by address, folio number, or owner name. This gives you the official folio number, a 13-digit ID you'll use throughout your search, plus the legal description and ownership info. Make sure you copy the folio number, very important, the owner's full legal name, the full legal description, lot, block, subdivision. If it's a condo or HOA property, make a note. Those often carry extra lien risk. Next, go to the Clerk of Court's official records to find everything recorded about the property: deeds, mortgages, liens, judgments, and more. Search using the owner's name exactly as it appears on the appraiser site. For example, Garcia Maria instead of Maria Garcia. Set your search to go back at least 30 years to catch older liens or deed transfers that might still affect title. Now we're going to follow the chain of title. That's the history of who owned the property. Start with the most recent warranty deed and work backward. Check that every transfer is properly recorded. There are no missing links. Any trusts, LLCs, or probate transfers are legit deeds. Involving deceased people, quick transfers, or no payment are red flags. Now let's zoom in on potential problems. Liens and judgments. Look for mortgages, mechanics liens, HOA or condo liens, lease pendants, lawsuits pending, final judgments, or creditor claims. For each document, write down the recording date, document number, and the parties involved. Pull up all mortgages recorded on title. First mortgage, second liens, HELOCs. Then check for satisfaction of mortgage documents. If there's no release, that debt may still exist. Also, take note if the lender is a bank, private party, or hard money lender. That impacts risk. Even if the judgment isn't tied directly to the property, it can still attach to real estate. Search for credit card debts, medical bills, auto repossession judgments. If there's no satisfaction of judgment, it's still active and needs to be cleared before sale. Next, go to the Miami-Dade tax collector's site and enter the folio number. You'll see if taxes are paid delinquent or under a payment plan. Also, check for sold tax certificates or pending tax deed auctions. That's a sign the property is in trouble. Here's something most people miss: municipal code violations. These aren't always recorded at the county level. Call or email the city, e.g. City of Miami, Hialeah, or Miami Gardens, to request a municipal lien search or open permit report. Unpaid water bills, grass fines, or unpermitted work can result in liens, even after foreclosure. Back to the clerk's site. Now head to civil court records and search for lawsuits involving the owner. Look for foreclosures, quiet title actions, probate, or partition cases. If a case is still open, it could delay or block a property transfer. Let's pull it all together. Create a summary report with chain of title, each deed and date, open mortgages or liens, any court cases or red flags. Mark anything that still needs clearing or legal review. If something looks off, ask a title pro to take a second look. And that's how to run a full title search in Miami-Dade County. This process might seem long, but missing a lien or lawsuit can cost you thousands. If you want peace of mind, our team can do it for you. Fast, affordable, and verified. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Florida real estate tips.